Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Mantus anchor swivel is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any boater, ensuring your vessel stays securely in place, even in challenging conditions. This innovative swivel design dramatically improves anchor performance by allowing the anchor to pivot freely, preventing rode twisting and chafe, which can lead to anchor failure. It's engineered for maximum strength and durability, offering peace of mind when you're at anchor, knowing your boat is safe and sound. Number 5. WAVESRX TriAnchor Stainless Steel Folding PWC and Boat Anchor Kit. Are you frustrated with anchors that are too big or don't provide a secure hold? We understand. That's why we created the ultimate solution for simple and effective anchoring. Experience virtually instant grab and superior holding power compared to traditional anchors. It offers exceptional performance at a fraction of the weight, ensuring your watercraft stays put. This anchor folds flat for easy storage, taking up minimal space. It fits conveniently in small compartments or under seats, eliminating the need to haul heavy anchors. Constructed from marine-grade stainless steel, it's built for long-term durability and corrosion resistance. You can rely on its performance in both saltwater and freshwater environments. Engineered for real-world usability and innovation, it provides confidence and peace of mind. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year replacement warranty for your assurance. What we like. If you need an anchor that is easy to store and offers impressive holding power, this is a great option. Its compact, folding design makes it ideal for smaller boats or those with limited storage space. If you're looking for a solution that sets quickly and keeps your vessel secure in various bottom types, consider this anchor. What people say. The Mantus anchor swivel is a well-built piece of equipment, designed to allow the anchor to pivot freely, preventing it from twisting and fouling on the road. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliable performance, even in challenging conditions, making it a valuable addition to any anchoring setup. Number 4. Mantus M1 Anchor Galvanized. Experience the best setting power with this anchor. It's designed to provide superior holding power in various conditions. Storage is a breeze thanks to its clever design. Take it with you anywhere without hassle. This anchor is built strong, ensuring durability and reliability. You can count on its robust construction for years to come. The galvanized finish protects it from the elements, extending its lifespan. This ensures it remains effective and looks great. We stand behind its quality with a lifetime warranty. This is our commitment to your satisfaction and peace of mind. What we like. For those prioritizing a reliable and robust anchor, this one stands out. Its exceptional setting power ensures your boat stays put, and its durable construction means it's built to last. If you value simplicity, strength, and a lifetime warranty for peace of mind, this anchor is a solid choice. What people say. The Mantus anchor swivel is a well-built piece of equipment. It is designed to allow the anchor to pivot freely, which helps prevent the anchor from twisting and fouling. The swivel is made of high-quality stainless steel and appears to be very durable. Number 3. Better Boat Anchor Swivel Stainless Steel. Experience smooth and secure anchor operation with our innovative swivel. It prevents twists and tangles, ensuring a hassle-free boating experience every time you drop anchor. Never worry about losing your anchor again. This shackle swivel is designed to prevent snags and provide enhanced stability, allowing your anchor to rotate freely for optimal holding power. Crafted from high-quality 316 stainless steel, it offers exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. It's built to last, even in the harshest marine environments. Designed to seamlessly connect your boat anchor to your anchor chains, it fits a wide range of anchor systems. Please measure carefully to select the correct size for your needs. As a family-owned American business, we are committed to premium quality and your happiness. We stand behind our products and offer the best customer service. What we like. If you're tired of anchor chain twists and tangles, this swivel is for you. It ensures smooth operation and helps prevent lost anchors by minimizing snags. If you're looking for a durable, corrosion-resistant component to enhance your anchoring system's reliability, this is a great addition. What people say. The Mantus anchor swivel is a game-changer for anchoring. It allows the anchor to pivot freely, preventing the anchor rod from twisting and chafe. The design of the Mantus anchor swivel is robust and well engineered. It features a heavy-duty construction that can withstand significant loads and harsh marine environments. The swivel mechanism operates smoothly, ensuring that the anchor can deploy and retrieve without any binding or sticking. This is crucial for quick and reliable anchoring. Number 2. Mantus Chain Swivel. Introducing the Mantus Chain Swivel, engineered to be the strongest link in your anchoring system. It's designed to be stronger than the chain it connects to, ensuring ultimate reliability. Experience unparalleled safety with its integrated shackle design. This innovative feature completely eliminates side loading, making it the safest swivel available on the market today. We've revolutionized strength with an oblong pin, the first of its kind. This design maximizes pin strength, ensuring it's the most robust component for your anchoring needs. Discover the innovative shackle bolt design, featuring no shackle dog. Its slim hex head with safety wire holes provides a lower profile for easier passage through your bow roller. Built for extreme conditions, it features a duplex pin for enhanced durability. This ensures it can withstand the toughest challenges your marine adventures may bring. What we like. This swivel is engineered for maximum strength and safety, designed to be stronger than your anchor chain. Its integrated shackle design eliminates side loading, making it a secure choice. If you need a robust, high-performance swivel that easily passes through your bow roller, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Mantus anchor swivel is a well-built piece of equipment. The stainless steel construction feels robust and durable, suggesting it will hold up well to the harsh marine environment. Its design allows for a smooth and effortless connection between the anchor and the chain. This swivel action prevents the anchor chain from twisting, which is crucial for proper anchor setting and retrieval. The swivel's ability to rotate 360 degrees ensures that the anchor can pivot freely, adapting to changes in wind and current without putting undue stress on the anchor's shank or the boat's pulpit. Number 1. Vulcan Premium Boat Anchor. Introducing the Vulcan Premium Boat Anchor, engineered for unmatched holding power. Its innovative design ensures a secure anchor set in any condition. Constructed from heavy-duty galvanized steel with a hot-dip finish, this anchor offers superior corrosion resistance. It's built to withstand harsh saltwater environments for long-lasting durability. Experience an easier fit with its no-roll bar design. This clean profile is ideal for bowsprits, platforms, and tight anchor lockers where traditional anchors may not fit. Our patented roll palm technology ensures fast and reliable setting. The V-bulb geometry self-rights the anchor for quick, consistent penetration every time. Achieve maximum holding power on any seabed, from sand to mud and grass. The concave fluke design provides exceptional grip for secure anchoring in changing conditions. The high-tensile I+V profile shank provides increased strength and resists bending. This advanced geometry enhances penetration for deeper, more secure anchor sets. Enjoy smooth self-launching and retrieval thanks to its shank shape. It promotes easy deployment and self-stowing on most bow rollers for effortless operation. What we like. For maximum holding power across a variety of seabeds, this anchor is a top contender. Its innovative design allows for easy fitting in tight spaces without a roll bar. If you're looking for an anchor that sets reliably and quickly, even in challenging conditions, this is a fantastic choice for secure anchoring. What people say. The Mantus anchor swivel is a well-built piece of equipment that feels very solid and robust. The swivel action is smooth and allows the anchor to pivot freely, which is crucial for proper setting and retrieval. Its design allows for easy attachment and detachment of the anchor chain, simplifying the anchoring process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.